Hey traders, Andrew Keenan. This is your Sunday look ahead video, and it's actually Monday because I did not shoot it yesterday. But what we see going on today is very, very interesting. We have S&P at new all-time high, 6065, and now everybody's coming out saying 6300, 6600. We're just going to keep going higher. And when everybody thinks we're going to go one way, maybe we're actually going to go the other way. We look at the volatility index known as the VIX. If someone could tell me a way to buy the VIX is a future price, so I can't buy it and hold it forever. I would love to buy the VIX at 13 because I just think that it's going higher. So volatility, it's good and bad. So when volatility is lower, that's good for us as a trader because we can get an option premiums for cheaper. When volatility is higher, we're going to have to pay more for those options, and we know they decay really, really fast. So if you look at the VIX here, 13, last week we had a shortened week. Let's look at earnings for the week. And this week I will look to get in a DLTR to the long side. I like to look at not Yahoo. And I don't like to look at this one either. Let's see what else we got here. There it is. Market Beat. Abercrombie, Autodesk, CrowdStrike, Dick's, Guess, Nordstrom, Smucker. Smucker's had earnings last week. I know that. So let's look at what's anticipated. Let's see what else we can get something better. All right, we can just go through this. CLSK already had earnings. 41 companies. Zscaler has earnings this week. CSLK has earnings this week as well. Just going through to see if there's any names I like here. DLTR has earnings. I'm going to get long DLTR. LKTA. Marvel has earnings. Salesforce has earnings. So Box has earnings as well. Peloton earnings. So a lot of companies with earnings this week. Let's look at the economic data for the week and what could move the market. And then we'll look at the money straddle. So I'll use Market Watch. So PMI came out today. ISM today. Construction spending on Tuesday. Job openings doesn't really move the market. Goolsbee will speak. Probably doesn't move the market. ADP probably won't move the market. There's that PMI number. So anything linked to inflation, if interest rates obviously go lower, that's good for the market, especially good for big cap technology. If interest rates go higher, it's bad for us. Thursday, we have jobless claims, a trade deficit, and then an unemployment report. So, a couple of financial numbers. The big thing is everybody thinks we're going to have this market run up until the end of the year. A lot of times when everybody thinks we're going to do something, we're going to do the complete opposite. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually saw a market sell-off this month. Just everybody's buying into it. The last person that holds the chips. If you look at the money straddle, we have one that expires every single day. 603 straddle, 604 straddle for today's 9.90 cents. That means $9 move implied in the S&P between now and the end of the day. And then the straddle between the end of the week. The 604 straddle is priced at $2.90 and $2.70. So that gives you a straddle of about $5.70 in the SPY, $57 in the S&P. That's really tight for the S&P. We can look at one more straddle here between now and the end of the year. And the end of the year will be the December 31st. And the 604 straddle here, about 140 point move. So the S&P could go up to about 6,200, or the S&P could drop to about 5,900. So keep an eye on those levels, using those at the money straddle. I will continue to play unusual option activity. I've been doing more calendar spreads. Today I did a calendar spread in CCL, and that one is 75. I'm offering it at 36 cents. So that's been a nice trade here. Always continue to sell that front month premium to buy that back month premium. This is Andrew Keen. That's your look ahead video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the trading room.